Hey guys, we're at it again. So this morning we're in the busy halfway tree. Who know halfway tree? Halfway tree. I'm not the best singer, but guess what? I try from time to time. So we have a delivery for this nice young lady, Brittany, who is always shipping with us weekly. She's one of the shopaholics that we love. I'm just showing you where we are. This is Premier Plaza. Who know Premier Plaza? You have to come here, come shop. Must come here, come shop from time to time. Yeah. So let's get to business. Yeah, beautiful halfway tree. And Brittany's coming to me looking like a star.
Thank
hey,
you.
What's up? So you still have on your mask?
Yeah.
Remember the boss said it's something done? You know where you said done? All right, yeah man, I can see your pretty face, man. Your package. I come as quick as possible. I know you want to do that at home, but work, we understand the whole work thing.
You have to work the long hours there. You know, I'm not going to reach home until like 7 o'clock tonight.
And 7 o'clock tonight, I want to eat my dinner, you know. Today a soup
exactly,
day, you know.
and at 7 o'clock, I just come in.
You just come in.
Imagine.
So no soup today? Mommy I cook. She don't know mommy I cook for dinner. But a pleasure serving you. Anything you have to set away? Put the rain start because I can feel it dripping already. We know it going from these days.
Anyways, guys, Island Shippers is the best. You get it fast. I literally just like ordered this like 2 weeks ago.
Got it.
1 week delivery, and they are affordable. If you stay here, and you get delivered to your destination.
There you have it. Affordable, on time, all the time. And we are going to allow Brittany to run back in because I know the lunchtime done.
Yeah.
So have a great one.
Okay,
and I'll see you next week, I'm sure, right?
Yes.
So Brittany, original shopaholic, we're going to come back next week. Today she at work, and we accommodate. We understand the whole thing. This is how we do it. Have a good one.
Yard abroad. You have been watching our videos. You are talking. You've been watching our videos, but you have not created a free shipping account as yet. What are you waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time that you take to watch this video. Did you know that you can ship your items to Jamaica straight to your doorstep for like 25% what a FedEx or a DHL will cost you? Go ahead, click the link in the description box below, create your free account today. Do it! We're in the streets.